You may be wondering, Michaela, what could we possibly be doing today? Well, I'm gonna be turning into a man. I think I'm gonna have to grab some water before we do this. I already drank my coffee, but we need some water! Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm MK Cosplay, and today I'm gonna be cross-dressing. I need to put my wig cap on. Right, I'm gonna get this thing on. Get all the little hairs in. Don't want any little hairs to escape. Nada, none, not one. And we have some escapees over here. We do not want that. There we go. Okay, now that I have my wig cap on, I'm gonna look like a weirdo for the rest of the video. I look like a literal thumb. I bought this new foundation and it's having a little dewy effect and it smells like baby powder, so I'm not complaining. Well, here you are. There we are. It smells good, and that's all that matters. When foundation smells all chemically and ugh, it's not good. Sharp jawline. That's what we want. We want a sharp jawline. I'm gonna start off with my concealer though. Simba. I've got my tribal makeup on. Alright, go ahead and use your concealer on your forehead, nose, and cheeks and chin. Alright, and then set this with powder. I'm going to be doing my contour now. I usually use powder contour, but I'm going to be using this cream stick this time because I feel like it will stand out a little bit more. Contour is very important because it changes the whole shape of your face. So when doing this, you want to make your jawline look very square. So we're gonna put a dark line over here and sharpen it out. Just like that. See? Usually women go like boop and then boop. But with being a man, you want it to be much sharper. Also, women have rounder cheeks, so we want to make those sharper. We also want our nose to not be as slim, so we want to make it stand out. Alright, now that I've completely drawn on my face, I'm gonna have to blend this out. And it might take a lot of blending from this little baby. Alright, let's go, sponge. The next big pointer of turning yourself into a man is your eyebrows. Your poor, precious eyebrows. We're gonna have to thicken them up. We have to make them bushy. Bushy. You have to be able to hide a bird in there. I'm gonna brush them out. For making my eyebrows bold, I'm going to use my e.l.f. eyeliner in the shade Coffee. And all I did was fill in the ends, and I'm going to make this front part look a little bit more natural. I kind of want them to be lighter. They're really dark right now, so I think I can use some light powder. They're a little bit dark. They're a little bit dark, but my wig is dark, so if your wig is not black or really dark brown, do not make your brows this dark. Go with a lighter color. Way lighter color, okay? I thought my coffee liner would be lighter, but it's not as light as I thought it'd be, so. Oops. We're just gonna have to go with it. I want to give myself some beard shadow. So in this eyebrow pan, I have this darker color, and I'm gonna use this brush to stipple. Alright, it's kind of working. Kind of looking like somebody who just freshly shaved. And on my upper lip too. That's pretty insane what that little bit of makeup actually did for me. That's actually kind of crazy, wow. Now I want to put a very thin layer of eyeliner around my eyes. Alright, I'm pretty happy with this. I'm looking pretty manly. Now we're gonna change the shape of my lips. Take some concealer or foundation and cover them babies up. Now take a lip color that is as close to your lips as possible. These eyebrows though, can you guys move your eyebrows like independently? Like, I can't. Alright, now I'm gonna go get dressed off camera. I know you guys want to look at this handsome man get dressed, but you cannot. Alright, here we are. Here's the end result of my cosplay. Thank you guys for joining me. I am looking pretty manly right now. I feel like I could pick up any man or woman I wanted. Ooh. Look at that jawline. I mean, I am ready to take some pictures. And MK out.